I'm Simon Keeling here at sailingweather.co.uk and weatherweb.net, the Sailing Weather Information Service. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget you can get your area forecast, written area forecast. You're on the home page at the moment. If you come down to area forecast here, look, just down the left hand side, click on there. Then you've got forecast for the Solent, which is in PDF. It's our unique detailed forecast for the Solent, and also other areas of the UK here. Click on that and you can get the very latest forecast for your area all around the British Isles, including the inshore waters and the shipping forecast, as well as our extended outlook too. So lots of information there for you. Okay, let's take a look at how things shape up. This is the forecast for Tuesday. Got low pressure over Scotland on Tuesday. Just sent it in here, driving this front eastwards. Now you see that front's broken up. That actually means that the front is weakening as it moves eastwards. So it's going to be taking some outbreaks of rain with it, but I think most rain affecting these western parts of Scotland through the day on Tuesday. Generally the winds through the channel, westerlies here blowing, I think, probably at around a 4 or a 5, probably 5 mid-channel. Western coasts looking at westerlies at 5s, perhaps occasionally up to a 6. Western Scotland, I think generally westerly here 4, but a 6 across southern parts of Scotland. Westerly to southwesterly at a 3 or a 4 across eastern Scotland, and west southwesterlies at 5s across eastern parts of England during the day on Tuesday. Then on to Wednesday, and for Wednesday, a breezy day, high pressure down to the south, look, low pressure up to the north, taking some rain across northern and western parts of Scotland, and that will make visibility pretty poor there. Elsewhere, I think bits and pieces of low cloud affecting western and southern coast, so you need to watch for some mist and fog, and the possibility of moderate to poor visibility around those areas as well. Generally though, better visibility south and east, winds through the channel, we're looking at the southwesterly here, I think blowing at a 4 or a 5. Southwesterlies at 6s across western coast of England, southwesterlies at 6s and 7s across western Scotland, and I think southwesterlies at 7s for eastern Scotland too. Eastern England, southwesterlies at 6s, but 7 offshore, and watch for some gusts there as well. Then heading into Thursday, and the high pressure is again down to the south on Thursday. Look, low pressure to the north. Generally, I think a band of cloud and rain moving south eastwards with this front. Some heavy bursts of rain too, and gusty winds running ahead of that front, gusting up to a 7 or even an 8 on these western coasts. Elsewhere, southwesterlies through the channel, 4 or 5. 4 might be underplaying it a bit. Let's go for a 5. Western parts of the country, southwesterlies at 6s through the Irish Sea. I think west southwesterlies at 6s through western Scotland. Eastern Scotland, west southwesterly at a 6 too. And off eastern coast of England, westerly 6s, but 7s offshore. And remember those gusts just running ahead of that cold front. Then on to Friday, and for Friday, this front down towards the southeast doesn't seem to want to particularly clear away very quickly. I think what it will do is bring some rain and some poor visibility across central and eastern parts of the channel, but I wonder now. I think it probably will have cleared away, and the front probably is about there on Friday. So I'm going to work on that at the moment, and we'll talk about the winds being generally from a west to southwesterly direction through the channel at around a 5 with improving visibility. I think westerly at 5s, perhaps touching a 6 across western coasts, westerly at 5 across western Scotland, westerly at around a 4 for eastern Scotland, and west southwesterlies at 4s across northeastern parts of England. Then into the weekend, and Saturday, low pressure still out towards the west on Saturday. I think looking at some pretty heavy showers across southern and western areas during the course of Saturday. The winds generally southwesterlies, probably 4s or 5s across southern areas. I think they'll be stronger than is shown here. Southwesterlies 4s and 5s across western coasts, southwesterlies at 4s across the east. Always the heaviest of the showers towards the west and the southwest, where visibility could be poor at times, but much better with far fewer showers out towards the east. But it will become colder. Friday is going to be notably colder, and Saturday will be feeling chillier too. And then into Sunday, and low pressure again on Sunday, still in evidence, but it's only a weak area of low pressure. And I think what this does really is it exacerbates the showers across southern and western areas. It's a chilly day again, and I think we're going to be looking at west to southwesterlies, 4s through the channel, probably westerlies at 3s or 4s across the western coast of the country. I think generally getting into a southerly of around a 4 across the eastern coast, but question mark on that. It may be that actually the winds are more southwesterly for all of us. And then high pressure looks as if it will try and get in again across the south during the early part of next week. So hopefully that's been useful for you. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget, I showed you there the area forecast that you can go to and get the very latest forecast for your area around the British Isles. So please do continue to spread the word about the forecasts here, and let your friends, your mariners, your sailing colleagues know about what we're doing here at sailingweather.co.uk. And for now, once again, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.